Andy Johnson, Minnesota State University. We're looking at concepts of print and phonemic awareness, things done for students reading at the emergent literacy or at the emergent level. Concepts of print, generally this is focused on the early years, children's birth through age 3. This occurs mostly through interaction with adults. This includes what a book is, reading left to right, what a word is. Words mean something. This is a letter. It stands for a specific sound. Those are all concepts of print. Early Head Start and other programs have been shown to be very effective to ensure that these skills get taught, that students come to school ready to learn. Phonemic awareness is part of instruction for students reading at the emergent level. Phonemes are the smallest unit of sound in a spoken word. There's about 41 to 44. Phonemic awareness is the ability to hear those sounds, to notice, think about, and work with. You can separate a word, the word dog, d, g, has 3 sounds. Systems theory, meaning that phonemic awareness should not be taught in and of itself. It's part of a total program, and you should not spend a lot of time on phonemic awareness in any one day, 3 to 8 minutes or so, part of a total program. Older, struggling readers who are still reading at the emergent level may need some instruction, but generally, rule of thumb, when students are reading comfortably at the first grade level, discontinue phonemic awareness activities. General rule of thumb. Phonemic awareness activities, it's a focus on sounds, not letter sounds, and hopefully this will come a little clearer in just a minute, but you're focusing on hearing sounds. And I recommend work on phonemic awareness be phonogram based, that you start with word families and work your way through. These are the most common, so why not start with d, a, p, I, ill, pill, all right? And work your way through the most common. Phonemic segmentation is one form of phonemic awareness, the ability to break words into part. Pay, p, a, pay, day, bay, stay. All right? That is a simple phonemic awareness activity, segmentation. Phonemic categorization activity. One of these sounds doesn't belong. Pill, pay, cram. Which sound doesn't belong? And I can do beginning, middle, and end. Drip, mop, mat. All right, the ability to hear sounds. You may want to show the word after you've done it, but really it's the ability to hear the sound. So show them the word. If you're going to show them the word, show it after they have identified the correct one. Blending phonemes. Listen to separate parts and put them together. What would you get if you put these sounds together? B, I, g, b, I, g. And you may want to show the letters either before or after. Sometimes with this one, I use plastic letters and I show them, but I put them apart. B, I, g. All right? To hear sounds. Phonemic identification activity. What's the same about these? Drip, drill, drop, pay, bill, bat. What's the same? So they have to find out what's the same about 3 words. And again, listen for the sounds first. Show them the words once so they have identified what is the same, beginning, middle, and ending sounds. Phonemic addition activity, similar to onset rhyme. What word do you have if you add s to ip, s, ip? And again, show them the words maybe afterwards, s, ip, s, ip. Phoneme isolation, recognize and identify individual sounds. What's the first sound you hear in the word sip? S, s. Middle sound, sip, I, I. All right, isolation. And phoneme substitution. You substitute one for another. What word would we get if we changed the t sound in tip to r, t, to r, r? Just some basic ideas, concepts in print, and phonemic awareness. You would see these at the emergent level.